lezi indaba zohora lokuqala sekwethulela zona bukhoma yokumkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
And the relationship that I have with General Mkhwanazi, that the relationship is not well at all.
Iphini lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa elisamisiwe Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya useqalile ukwethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga.
Under your term, crime is out of control and your deployment of the army is the last resort. You are admitting that you have failed to fight crime.
Amalungu amaqembu ahlukene kagxeke inkulumo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ayethuleleka isizwe ngesonto ledlule osukwini lokuqala lenkulumo mpikiswano emayelana nale nkulumo.
Two of the accused are facing a charge of premeditated murder, and then all three of them are then also facing a charge of robbery with aggravating circumstances.
Lihlehliselwe kumsombuluko zayo icala labanyeka abasola abathathu ababhekene necala lokubulala umshayeli we-e-hailing uIsaac Satlat kanti kuvela kwalabasolwa kuchaza ukuthi sebeyisithupha abathweseke icala lokubulala lomshayeli. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ke ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingonqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke naku-SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Mbukeli ake sibheke ezihamba phambili mina nje. Iphini likaKhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya osamiswe emsebenzini ubizeleke phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje lapho ke beka khona olwakhe uhlangothi einsolweni keziphezulu kwegama lakhe. Usibiya utshele ikhomishana ke ngeinsolo zokuthi umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kwaZulu Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi usebenzisa kamakhasi einkundla zokuxhumana emzamweni wokumdicelela phansi.
Phakathi kokunye uSibiya akutshele ikhomishana ngokucacile isimo athe asisihle phakathi kwakhe nekhomishana wamaphoyisa kwaZulu Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. uSibiya uthe ukabhekani kwakhe noMkhwanazi kuyaziwa ngisho ngumkhuzi wamaphoyisa omkhulu Jenene Fani Masibula.
The National Commissioner General Masemula calls me and he sends me to KZ and he says to me, I want you to go and receive the memorandum there. He calls me to his office. I said, okay, I will go. Because he's a national commissioner and I'm a deputy national commissioner, I can't say no. He relies on us. I said, I will go. But he knew and understand the relationship that I have with General Mkhwanazi. That the relationship is not well at all.
Uphinde walandisa ikhomishana ngezinsolo zokuthi uMkhwanazi usebenzisa kabi amakhasi ezinkundla zokuxhumana ukuze athole ukwesekwa ngabantu nangamaqembu ezombusazwe.
He's supported by MK. Then you also have, I spoke to one MMC who was asking me what is going on. Allow me not to mention the name, Chair. He was asking me what is going on in this thing. We want to understand this thing. And I said, I explained and I said, you know what, hey, the problem is that even though we see what is happening, the problem is that in KZN when you get heard speaking against Mkhwanazi, General Mkhwanazi, then you see people beginning to have some clicks and distancing themselves from the party.
uSibiya akakwazanga ukuphendula embuzweni ukuthi unalo yini ulwazi lokuthi uMkhwanazi unesandla ngalokho okubhalwa ezinkundleni zokuxhumana.
Directly or indirectly, there's no way he's not involved. For simple reasons.
No, can you answer, does he have his own social media accounts? Yes or no?
I don't know about that, Commissioner.
So I'm not sure that it's fair then to make the point that you appear to be trying to make. Because he has no control over what other people post about him.
uSibiya uzophinda khuluma gxile kakhulu udabeni oluphathelene nomzamo wokuhlakazwa kwethimba lamaphoyisa iPKTT elasungulelwa ukubhekana lokubulawa kosombusazwe.
Amalungu amaqembu ahlukene agxeke inkulumo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ayethulela isizwe ngesonto ledlule osukwini lokuqala lenkulumo mpikiswano emayelana ke nale nkulumo kanti kulindele ukuthi kusasa uMengameli azoziphendulela eParliamente.
Kule nkulumo mpikiswano ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi Firoz Khachalia uqinisekisile ukuthi amasosha asezojutshwa ezifundazweni ezintathu okubalwa kuzo iGauteng, iWestern Cape kanye neEastern Cape.
By the direction of the President, I can confirm that the deployment will include the Eastern Cape.
Democratic Alliance uJohn Steenhuisen uphakamise ukuthi kuqedwe nyanga imigomo ehlomulisa idlanzana.
Restrictive BE policies with genuine broad-based empowerment that includes skills, ownership and opportunity for all.
Lo amaqembu MKP neEFF agxeke inkulumo kaMengameli ngezihloko eziningana kanye nezithembiso ezingafeziwe.
It was not a State of the Nation address. It was a state of intent address. It described plans, committees, trust teams, another investment summit, and what government hopes to do. It failed to report an account to the nation.
Under your term, crime is out of control and your deployment of the army is the last resort. You are admitting that you have failed to fight crime. The people of Gauteng have been terrorized for too long by the so-called Zamazamas, and on the deployment of the army, we have no choice but to support you because you have destroyed law enforcement capacity.
Meli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa kulindeleke ukuthi azoziphendulela kusasa kule nkulumo mpikiswano eParliamente.
Lihlehliselwe kumsombuluko ozayo icala labanyaka abasolwa abathathu ababhekene necala lokubulala umshayeli we-e-hailing uIsaac Sattler ePitoli. Ukuvela kwalabasolwa kuchaza ukuthi sebeyisithupha abathweseke icala lokubulala lomshayeli.
Lihlehlele mhla zama-23 kuNhlolanja icala labasolwa abanye abathathu abathinteka ecaleni lokubulawa komshayeli wemoto ekhokhelwa ngebanga eselihambile. Labasolwa bavele kafushane enkantolo yeMantshi ePitoli. Ukusoconga kwalomshayeli ongokudabuka eNigeria kusabalala ezinkundleni zokuxhumana emva kokuthi kuqophe bukhoma emotweni ayehamba ngayo. Komsombuluko kwavela abasolwa abathathu enkantolo yeMantshi yasePitoli ngezinsolo zokubulala lomshayeli nalapho kwavela khona ukuthi amaphoyisa asathungatha umsola wesine. Namuhla kube sekuvela abanye abasolwa abathathu nokwenza isibalo sabasolwa kuleli cala sibe isithupha. Okhulumela iNPA uLumka Mahanjana uthi abasolwa babhekene namacala okubulala nokubamba inkunzi ngenhloso yokulimaza.
Two of the accused are facing a charge of premeditated murder, and then all three of them are then also facing a charge of robbery with aggravating circumstances. The cell phone of accused number 4 in this case that was found. It was in the possession of one of the suspects, of which the case against that suspect was not enrolled.
Icala labasolwa lizobuyela enkantolo ngesonto elizayo mhla zama-23 kuNhlolanja.
In respect of all three of you until the 23rd of February this year in this court 16 for appearance with your co-accused, and it's also for accused number 6, legal representative.
Akukacaci ukuthi abasolwa laba bazobe sebevela ndawonye kuleli cala uma sebebuyela enkantolo.
Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State isichithile isicelo sikaMoradi Choloto sokuthi engashushiswa kanye-ke nabasolwa malungana-ke nenkohlakalo yethenda leyigidi ezingama-255 zamarandi.
1. The remaining grounds of Ms. Cholota's special plea are dismissed. 2. This court has jurisdiction to try Ms. Cholota on the charges she is facing.
Lolu daba likaCholota lwabuyiswa inkantolo yomthethosisekelo kule nkantolo emva kokuba isithola ukuthi akulandelwanga imigudu efanele ngenkathi ebuyiswa kuleli suswa eMelika. Uphiko olushusisa amacala NPA lusamukelile isinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State.
besigxininisile ukuba akhange uMs Cholota aphathwe kakubi kwaye akho buxoki esibufakileyo kwinkundla zaseAmerica. uLobcha J ke uvumelana nathi uba ngokobungqina obukhoyo kuyacaca ukuba kwakuqala uMs Cholota bezikhona into ezimbonakalisa ubutyala ngakuthi.
Abameli bathi basazosicubungulisisa kahle lesi sinqumo bese bebona ukuthi kuphi abakwenzayo ngaso.
We need to consider and study the judgment and take instruction from our client, which we cannot state at this moment. We need to carefully study the judgment and consider various options available to vindicate our client's rights.
Inkantolo ithola ukuthi abashushisi bakwenze kwacaca ukuthi abazange basenge imithi yokuyiphatha imandla zaseMelika ukuze bebuyise uCholota kuleli.
Ushona abantu abathathu okufaka phakathi nosana onezinyanga eziyishagalolunye esigamekweni sokudubula esenzeke eAslon eCape Flats.
Not the first time that people has been shot here. 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, 2 males were shot and killed in this particular house. And I've spoken now to community members, and they said to me is that this is not drug related because they're not selling drugs. It is not gang related because they're not gangsters. What it is though, is that it's a house open. If you want to come smoke your drugs, you can come inside here. And the challenge in there lies that anybody that has drugs can come in here and you don't know who the people are because these things attract anybody. And it could be that somebody has owed somebody drug money and maybe they've heard the guys in here and they came to shoot.
Mbogele Satiku Eitora Gadoma Sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
The case is remanded to the 27th of March 2026 for regional court date and you will be in custody.
Usazoqhubeka nokugqunywa ejele umculike weLikompo uLehlohonolo Chauke noDumengele kaShebe Mabhena ngemva kokuthi inkantolo ke manje yaseMpulukwane ihlehlisele umhla zingama-27 kuNdasa icala lakhe. Bukele sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena sikhumbuza ukuthi ke le ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo zicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzosithola ngonjalo bazo. Liyaqhubeka ke namuhla inkantolo ke phakeme yaseMthatha ehleze lisikisiki icala libhekene nabasola abayisithupha abasola ngokusocwa ngabantu abayi-18 ngobuzane lisikisiki ngo-2024 ukuzwa kabanzi ke ngokuqhubekayo sixhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC ufundiswa Mhlekude onkanise khona lapha ke lisikisiki. Fundiswa asikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni ke zasemini besicela nje usibeke esithombeni ngokuqhubeka inkantolo sukela namhlanje.
Enkosi Dawuda mandikukhumbuze ukuba namhlanje kuxoxwa ityala elingaphakathi kwelityala. Uyawukhumbula ukuba akukho abarhanelwa okanye abatyholwa abahlanu abathi bona abavumi ukuba benza iconfession emapoliseni. So ngoku kuzamnywa ukuprova ukuba ngenene bathi bavuma ityala emapoliseni. Bathi ke into edala babangavumi ukuba benza iconfession kukuba babethwa okokuqala bathi njengoba babanjwe ePort Shepstone bathi babethenjiswa ngamapolisa ukuba bazawulahlwa komnye wemilambo ephaya eKwaZulu Natal. Bathi futhi babethwa okwesithathu futhi banyanzeliswa bethotsharishwa ukuba bathethe izinto abazithethayo emapoliseni. Lonto ke ngoku namhlanje kusithiwa kuxoxwa elotyala kusele kubizwa amapolisa amahlanu azama ukucacisela okanye axelele inkundla ukuba abarhanelwa okanye abatyholwa yonke into abayithethayo bayithetha benganyanzeliswanga mntu, bayithetha futhi ngokuzithandela kwabo. Njengangoku siphuma kubizwe uLieutenant General Lieutenant Colonel rather uMnumzana uMandla Miya nocacisayo futhi eveza enkundleni ukuba umkhanelwa lo uSiphoxolo Myekethe wathi wabhala futhi iyavela ukuba wabhala ngokwakhe futhi wasayina ukuba ufundelwe amalungelo akhe xa ebanjwa futhi zange anyanzeliswe ukuba enze imvumotyala lento sithi i-confession. So kuzawuthatha ixesha ke Dawuda ngoba njengoba kuxoxwa elityala within elityala lixoxwayo ngoku loo nto ithetha uba kuzawuthatha ixesha kuzawuthi kulibaziseke njengoko neentsapho ezi zamaxhoba zazinexhala loo nto ukuba elityala lizawuthatha ixesha zibe zona zifuna i-justice for amalungu azo.
Sibonga kakhulu umbukeli yona ke intatheli ke yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC ufundisa Mhlekude esibikela bukhoma eSelsikisiki e-Eastern Cape. Usazoqhubeka ke nokugqunywa ejele umcwele welikompo lihlohonolo Chauke nodume ngelikaShebe Mabhene ngemva kokuthi ke inkantolo yemanje yasePolokwane ihlehlisele umhlazi ngama-27 kwindasa icala lakhe. Uchauke ubeveleke kule nkantolo ke eyamnqabela ke isicelo sebhele ngozibandlela ngenxa ukuthi wayithola ke izizathu ezingagculisi ngokuthi kungani kufanele kadedelwe. Icala lakhe lihlehlisele ukuze ke kuhlelwe usuku lokuqala ke ngokusemthethweni kwecala lakhe njengoba ebhekene ke namacala esishagalolunye ahlanganisa ke ukuzama ukubulala, ukuphanga, ukushaya nokutholakala ke nesibhamu esingekho emthethweni. Eqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi umsola wesibili ubongani intanzi ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyi wawuphikile ukuthi babexhumana nabo bonke abasolwa ngaphambi kokubulawa kukaMeyiwa.
Umsola wesibili ubongani intanzi uthi akaze nje axhumane nabo bonke abasolwa ngenombolo yakhe njengoba kwavela ubufakazi obethulwa phambi kwenkantolo.
Ayimina ngiyala kweyamseko yami inombolo.
Ubuzo ukuthi uyamazi yini uLungisani Ndwandwe kwathiwa akachaze kabanzi ukuthi umazi kanjani.
Because inkantolo uLungisani ngiyamazi kakhulu nasesikoleni eFalazi. Futhi mina uLungisani ngaba nengi uthenga ngazi ngoba emakhaya umuntu webhola mina semakhaya kuningi ukuthi uLungisani engangazi.
And how does that tie with Lungisani knowing you?
Ngingasho ukuthi uLungisani ibhola engangazi nasengomeni igidile ngoba.
Ebufakazini ke phambi kwenkantolo kwavela ukuthi inombolo ababeyisho ekaFiso Kuhle Ntuli okungumsola wesihlanu wabuza ukuthi bake baxhumana yini naye.
Akulona iqiniso nkosentando. Mina uNtuli ngimazi nkosentando. Ngoba yimi ngasho nakummeli wami ngaphambi isandla ngamcela ngathi akabatshethe le number kaLungisani akusiyi number kaNtuli.
And have you made a call to the 1239 number at any time since you've had it communicating and it was answered by someone called Fiso Kuhle Ntuli?
uNtanzi uthi wayeqala ukumbona uNtuli eBoksburg nowambuza ukuthi udabuka phi. Uphinde wabuza ukuthi uyalazi yini elinye igama likaFiso Kuhle abizwa ngalo ekuthiwa uLungisani. Uphendule wathi akalazi. Icala liyaqhubeka.
Kuyaqhubeka ukuphekwa ngembuzo kwaye ngumqondisi weNPA eNorthwest uAdvocate Selo Mayema ephekwa ke ngoAdvocate Thembeka Ngcoka Ithobi esigcawini ke sejaji eselithatheke umhlala phansi uJaji uBess Nkabinde njengoba ke kuphenywa ke ngobuqotho bomqondisi walolu phiko eSouth Gauteng uAdvocate Andrew Chauke.
Namhlanje isigcawu esiphenya ngobuqotho buka-Advocate Chauke besifakazela ucwaningo lokuthi kunohlobo lamacala enziwa ngoMajor General Johan Boysen kanye namaphoyisa ophiko laseKhethomena achazwe njengebhizinisi. Lokhu njengoba wethula ubufakazi u-Advocate Silo Mayema ethi babukhona ubufakazi obanele bokushushisa lamacala enkohlakalo abhekene nalaba kodwa u-Advocate Shamila Batoyi ubeloke wahoxisa lamacala.
In all of the incidents, when I made the presentation to EXO, I said, if you go through 4 incidents, then you know what happened in respect of all of them. Because it happens in the same way. It happens in, all of them happens the same. And it ends up in the killing either of 1 or 2 or 3 of the suspects. Or all of the suspects that they were dealing with.
Is anyone actually arrested?
None is arrested. Not a single of the police vehicles are damaged. Not a single of them are injured.
And Advocate Batoyi then says this is not a pattern.
Oh, it is. If nothing fits the definition of, this is the perfect definition of a pattern of racketeering.
Lesicao siyaqhubeka.
Inkampani ebhekeleke izinkundla zezemidlalo iStadium Management South Africa inxuse abalandeli ukuthi basheshe bafike enkundleni njengoba ke kuzobe kutholana phezulu iOrlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns emidlalweni weBetway Premiership namuhla kusihlwa enkundleni eFNB eNasrec.
You won't see me forcing the early arrival as much this time around because I think it's going to be difficult for people to arrive early. Weekday fixture, 7:30 kickoff. People traveling from Pretoria, Tshwane, they're going to mix with normal peak hour traffic. So fans are going to have their challenges to get here early as well. That compounds the problem. But the plea is, if at all possible, arrive early. The gates open at 3:30. The club organised, Orlando Pirates organised some entertainment. There's a lot of activation, so there's stuff to do inside. So if at all possible, arrive when gates open and get in to avoid the congestion at the turnstiles.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu ngenyakaza. Bukela sizibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona usale kahle.